It's showtime!
Alright, peeps. So today, we're doing something a little different. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and because of our special guests, I think you guys will enjoy it. But we have a little challenge of griddle against smoker with pizza.
What?
I think it'll be a good time. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you back here in a few.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I mean.
Alrighty, so first thing we're gonna do is put down a little bit of vegetable oil. And then we're gonna throw the pizza on. There it is, cheese pizza on the griddle. So we're gonna see how it goes. Check back in a few. Take a quick gander here as it's cooking. We kept the heat down a little bit so it wouldn't get too crazy. My big old friggin' Blackstone spatula. But looks like it's doing pretty good. Still looks good from all that cleaning we did. Well, let's get that pizza on there. So we're getting that pizza on there. We got the temperature set at about 300. And we'll throw a little bit of cheese on there and we will go from there. Oh, here's the one that's smoking. That's looking really good. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes. Wow. We'll put a little extra cheese on there, but man, the smoker one is taking a little bit longer than the griddle, but it's looking very good.
So we have some different random strangers. This is the Olea boys. So tell us what you think of your pizza.
So, this is a griddle pizza, and yeah, we're gonna try and see if it's really good.
Is that good?
Mmm,
What?
that's really good.
All right, nice. And this pizza is off the griddle.
Oh wow.
All right. Well, we're gonna see these boys finish all of their pizza. All right, thanks, guys.
Guys, today we're eating pizza like the other time we did.
On the griddle.
Yeah, so this is the smoker.
This is the smoker pizza. You can hold, or if you need to.
Oh, it's hot. So if I touch my eye, right?
Ah, no, don't touch your eye.
Just don't.
What do you think?
I can't touch it the rest of my life. I can't touch it the rest of my life.
Never, ever for the rest of your life. You don't know?
I think the griddle's way better.
Okay.
So on the griddle, we threw Ryan and I's pizza. A little triple cheese giorno. Sitting there. Okay. Alright, we got ours on the smoker now. Ooh, that's looking tasty. Okay, future smoker of America. You want to check the pizza for us?
Yes.
Okay. You go over, you're going to lift up that top.
What?
Yep. Come on now.
Me?
Yep. Alright. Let's check out this pizza, shall we? Let's see.
Oh, that is so good.
Oh, yeah.
For you guys. Action.
Alright, peeps. So we just got the pizzas off of here. This is the one that was on the griddle. That's the one that was on the smoker. So we are going to taste test the griddle. You can see out of the gate that it's got a nice crispy base to it. Well, let's be honest. That came out really good.
Good.
Nice.
Crust is a little bit too much for me, but you know, I don't really.
Your stomach is dead. Okay.
These guys just killed 3 pizzas, so of course we're freaking full.
Is your stomach dead?
Yeah, it's dead.
Yeah.
Mine is. It's just like stuck.
All right, guys. So we're gonna check out this one for a second, and then we'll be back to check out the smoker
Like a minute.
pizza. This one just came off the smoker, so it's still really hot. So it needs to rest.
Well, my Blue Rhino's griddle killed it again, man.
All right.
Like our.
Check back later. Oh,
Yeah, you didn't say
did
no.
you?
I said 3. I said
It went.
So, anyways, Pete,
Beep.
this is the one off the smoker. So I'm actually pretty excited about this one. I've been wanting to do a pizza on a smoker for a while. So
Wow, you're pretending that you can
now, honestly, I'm not like a huge pizza fan, but this is so good. This is actually a DiGiorno's hand tossed 3 cheese pizza or 3 meat pizza, and we did it on the A smoke. And we had it at about 350 for I think about 30-45 minutes ish. The smoke flavor has just sunk into it. Everything is melted perfectly. Got a nice crust on it. It really came out good. So I think it's a hit, in my opinion. What do you think, boys? Was it a hit?
No.
Was the pizza good?
Yeah? Yeah?
Which one did you like more, griddle or smoker?
Smoker griddle.
Smoker griddle?
No, it's griddle. It's griddle. Like
Griddle?
Smoker griddle. I can't take a bite. I want to take a bite. Should I?
So griddle.
Should. Yeah, griddle. Should I take a bite?
No, you don't have to.
Okay.
I'll take a bite for you.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Thanks, everybody.
Bye-bye.
appreciate you,
Bye,
man.
Felicia. Bye, Felicia.